Sherry. Is Sherry here? I can't see nothing. There you are. Hey, my girlfriend.
Oh, my sweet thing.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm hanging in there.
Good. I'm glad
What
to
you
see
got
ya.
good today?
Oh my goodness.
You're starting to buy, sell so many ready-made
so
things,
much.
aren't you?
Yes. A lot of
Wow.
I know. That's all good. Different kinds of cookies.
Maybe
They're great. They're so
All right, who's
good.
making these? Who's the
Her
company?
name's Christy. It's called Trip Flaps Bakery.
Trip
She's
Flops.
a local girl here on the island.
Oh, good,
Yeah,
good.
she's
We
right
like
here on the
that.
island. Yes,
we
ma'am.
like that.
Yes, ma'am. Look at all this stuff.
I know it.
Heidi's here on the island. She makes those. And this is Starfish Bakery. She just brings these every
I've
day.
never heard of these.
She, I only get about 4 to 6, and that's it.
That's hard
And
work.
it's sourdough. That's
Oh,
beautiful
gosh.
sourdough. Ain't that pretty?
It is so pretty.
Yes.
Well, I have somebody that wants
there's-
to meet you. So this is Charlie, Chelsea's, Chelsea Williams' son, right?
Wait.
He goes to school with Millie.
No.
But he's,
Oh my God!
He's got a crush on her.
he's got to tell you. Yeah, he wanted to tell you that.
You have got a crush on my Millie?
Yes.
You know what? You know what that says about you? You a smart boy. Now tell me your name so I can.
Charlie?
Charlie? I love
Yes.
that name.
I do too.
So I'm gonna tell Amelia that I met her boyfriend today. Well, what
won't
you got
tell.
in good and fresh?
Oh, man, besides peaches. Oh, goodness. Tomatoes are coming in from Johns Island right now, South Carolina.
Oh, listen, you sent
First
Kari home with a lot of tomatoes. I can't tell you how many tomato pies I had to make.
Well, good.
She just, excuse me, dear. She
Yeah,
just
good.
wanted tomato pies. Now, what's
the
over
Silver
in
Queen
here?
corn's coming in from Statesboro, too. This is Dodie.
Hey, I'm
She
Dodie.
does-
How are you?
Hey,
she
Dodie.
does a lot
Paula
of my
Deen.
ta- all
Nice
this
to meet
take a
you.
bakes right here. They're delicious.
Oh, wow.
Those
So
go
good.
straight up comfort food.
Oh, that's what we like.
So good. It's
like
very
chicken salad?
southern.
Yes.
Pick one of my
It's
chicken
very
salads.
southern.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
What
everything's
is your
delicious.
number one selling?
I'm not here all the time. What would you say?
Well, those,
Enchiladas?
they go first.
They do.
Yes, ma'am. Just because, us
Poppy seed
Yes.
chicken and rice.
they'll
That
get their
sounds
kids to eat
delicious.
enchiladas, too. Oh, it's so good.
Well,
Everything.
Sherry, you are getting in it, honey.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I leave this right here
Yeah,
until? Yeah, don't let
I think
anybody
there'll
get
be one
it.
left.
Yeah.
There'll be one left.
Don't let nobody get my
Yeah.
chicken salad,
No.
because that may be supper tonight.
Fly right out of it.
Now, are these heirlooms,
This is
Sherry?
Elabelle. Yes, ma'am. They are. These are Cherokee purples.
And oh, look, Eddie, she has got
Got it.
pole beans.
These are Romas. That's the Italian pole bean. First ones
Right,
today.
right.
Rick's
This
got
is-
those at the market.
And we used to get those all the time. We
Yes,
never got
yeah.
a snap green.
Yeah,
we
right.
always used
Pole.
the pole greens.
And so
but
these-
you know you can't find them anymore, Sherry.
So see, these are KYs. So that's the stringless pole bean.
Uh-huh.
This is Roma. You see the difference? It's an Italian
yeah,
pole bean.
yeah,
They
yeah.
call them flat beans
Yeah,
or whatever.
yeah.
What did we get last year in October? You called them harvest?
Cranberry beans.
Cranberry beans.
Yes, or October beans. They
October
call them
beans, yeah.
Octobers too. They're delicious.
Yes.
Aren't they good?
Yes.
I want to get some pole beans.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
gotta have some of those. I
Oh,
love
my
that.
God.
I mix all mine though.
Do
I cut
ya?
it all up and
Uh-huh.
saute it with onion, little spout of butter, and some
Okay.
a drizzle of olive oil.
You do it the
I mi-
good for you way.
Well, not you know.
That's screaming for ham hock.
A lot of onion. I
Yeah,
know it.
yeah.
These are beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, Randy was so excited about these.
Was he? So
Yeah.
he's doing all right.
He's doing all right.
Good,
Yes,
good.
ma'am, he is.
I wrote it on.
And so, what day, Sherry, do you have stuff coming in? Do you have a certain day?
Now we're about 3 or 4 days a week. Like Mondays, Tuesday we got a truck today. We got corn came in from Statesboro today.
Oh, I want to
Silver
put.
Queen.
Oh my God, that's
yeah.
the best corn
So
ever.
good.
It is really
But it's hard work. It is
Our
hard,
friend,
hard
Jason
work.
Franklin up there grew that, and it's
Now,
so good.
do you blanch yours before you grate it?
No, ma'am.
You
I
don't?
No, ma'am.
So you just grate it
Yeah,
and
put it in the freezer and not
Do
because
you?
it's gonna freeze and it's that natural juice. You don't have to do none of that.
well, it seems like I used to blanch them first and then
Right.
freeze 'em.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Just that
just
stuff you don't have to blanch anymore. Just like butter beans and all.
Yeah.
I do mine like shrimp. I put them, you rinse them and put them in that freezer bag. Add water and bring that water to the seal. You know, so they're air. It's not air, and you lay
okay.
them in
So
the
you
freezer.
put some water in them.
Yeah, so they'll
little
freeze
bit.
in their water.
Yeah.
And you can leave them frozen for who knows how long.
I know.
I mean,
Well, that's
so-
a great tip. This brings me back to when my grandma Paul and I used to have a garden at Aunt Peggy and Uncle George's warehouse. There was a big plot of land, so we'd all plant a garden, and we planted everything. What you saying?
She asked me if I knew you, and I said,
Because George owns North Beach Grill.
I was going.
He owns the North Beach Grill.
Yes. Are you still there?
Yes.
wanted to see you.
You know, I hardly don't leave Wilmington Island except to go to the Lady and Sons, you know,
Yeah.
our restaurant. But I'm so glad to see you. Yes, it's been
Yeah.
years and years,
Yes.
honey.
And your niece,
Kari.
well, no. Tristan's fiance.
Oh, okay, Laurie.
Laurie. So Tristan and Laurie are my favorite. I adopted Tristan. He's like my son. When they come out, I make a trip. If they tell me we're at the restaurant, I come out.
No.
Yeah, because I love them so much.
Listen, they're precious people, and they're fixing to get married.
know.
And they're getting married in our yard.
Okay. You know, last time I asked them, they were just out there Sunday, but I wasn't there. But before that, I said, y'all make plans yet? And I looked at Tristan. I said, I ain't even asking you. Lord, you know. So, yeah, that's awesome.
I know it.
That's awesome.
Well, I hope they'll invite you.
I hope so, too. I mean, you know.
I hadn't asked how many people or anything. Do you know Eddie?
No, I don't. they just started.
I don't know if they're keeping it small or.
I don't think they're going to be able to keep it small.
I don't
So,
think so either.
yeah. So,
But I hope to see you there.
I hope so, too. I'm pretty sure you will.
I hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
You tell them they better get your invitation.
That's
too.
right.
But I do want to let everybody know who this man is. He is the owner of George's. Is
Well,
it still named George?
No, now, the George's is not there anymore. But it's North Beach Bar and Grill.
Oh gosh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No, and it's by the
Between the beach and the lighthouse.
yes, by the lighthouse.
Yeah.
And you can walk up that tall.
Yeah, if you're so inclined, you
I
can
was
walk up the
never been.
lighthouse.
I've never been so inclined, but my children love to go there.
Yeah.
You know, it's just casual and
Yeah,
you
it's
can-
fun. That's right.
yes. That's great.
It's so good to
So
see you.
if y'all are ever around Savannah, you got to go to Tybee Island and go to the lighthouse.
And then head to the beach from the lighthouse. You'll stumble on us.
Okay.
You'll literally
And
trip.
it's
Well, you haven't been out there a while, so it's a way
haven't.
bigger than it used to be. It's a pavilion now.
Is it?
Yeah, indoor, outdoor,
Wow.
decks,
how
bars.
many can you see?
About 170.
Well, the last time I think you could
Right.
see 10.
10. That's
10
how it
people.
started out. We could see about 10. So this is what
Well,
years do to you,
Yes.
right?
Well, I'm gonna get Michael to drag my happy butt out.
I'd love to have you out there. Love to see you. It's good to see you here.
It's good to see you too.
All right. Take care.
You take care too.
All right.
Y'all go see this man.
All right.
You can look at him and tell he knows how to cook.
Yeah.
He can shake those pots and pans. Look at the two of us. All right. So what are we gonna get, Eddie? We're gonna get some pole beans.
They're good. Yeah, they're
Does it matter which one I take, Sherry? Okay.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
That's Mr. Mouse.
That's our supervisor.
Yeah. He's been here since he was a kitten.
No.
So
He's
sweet.
a sweet boy.
I lost my kitty cat. I miss her
That's
so
a
bad.
thing. He's air
So y'all.
He's airtight. Oh,
So y'all
yeah.
don't take him home at
No, he's
home
there.
at night.
My niece.
Do you lock her in here so a possum or
He-
something?
no, he's all over the place. He don't care. He does his things. He's a Sheba baby. He only eats Sheba cat food. He's bougie. I'm like, let's see, look. So Chandler's air tagged him.
No.
He's got an Apple air tag on. So they track him. She and little Randy track
Wonder
him
how
up.
far he goes.
Nowhere. Right, he don't go.
He just stays right.
He does.
And then
Stay-
into the garden and into the
Stay away from them cars. Stay away from those cars.
You feeding about 4 or 6 people?
No, just me and Michael and Eddie if he'll have some.
Well, I never heard about it.
And look over here, Eddie. Look at all these wonderful products. These remind me of ours. You know, the products that we have in the store.
Sherry, you gotta get withdrawals.
What is frog jam?
So look, Paula, frog. The ingredients spells out frog.
Yeah, it's orange.
It's
What's
fig,
that?
it's fig, raspberry, orange, ginger. Spells
Okay.
frog.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's toe jam up.
Okay, I was gonna say no. Where's the toe jam?
Bear and gator.
Gator, you see a toe?
Take those right there.
Matty Weeks likes the toe jam.
It's right here.
So,
Where?
Matt, you would like this.
Toe jam.
Yeah.
All right, now is that the fruits that's in it?
Yeah.
Tomatoes, orange,
Tangerine
tangerine, orange,
and elderberry, I think.
elderberry. Oh my gosh, I just love all these stuff. So you know,
He's from the old fashioned, from long.
oh my God, yes. Look at those plums.
We're happy we're here too. What else?
Where'd y'all get these? By the side of the road.
Yeah, that's like it. That's a lot of people taste that and they're like, oh, it takes me back to my childhood. You know, it's they're old time.
You eat the skin?
I eat everything.
too. I love it.
Except the
I do
seeds.
too. But,
Yeah, you don't want to swallow the seeds. You'll be in bad shape.
yeah. Oh, please do.
So y'all, not only do they have all this wonderful fresh food, their nursery, their plants are beautiful. And let me tell y'all something, Sherry has the most beautiful Christmas trees at Christmas time. I love to come down here and pick out my Christmas tree. Oh, you see something viney that we can't live without, Eddie? I love things that crawl, y'all, that climb and crawl and see, Eddie, I love these kind of ferns right there. To me, they're so hardy. But what kind do you call that? I call that like a wild fern. But you call it a name.
I'm not sure what that one is. I don't know if that a cabbage fern. I think
I don't-
it is.
I don't
or,
know. What kind of fern is this, son? Do you know what kind?
Macho fern.
Macho.
A macho.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I like it. Because it's a macho. Macho man fern. I think that gets it for me, Eddie. So let's go see what kind of damage we've done and tell Sherry and her sister bye. I love coming here. This is the happy place. I want you to know
30 years
nobody
old.
goes by here without stopping to get peanuts too.
Good. I hope not. And our friend did this. He added that was a special little thing.
I
he did for
love
us. I know.
Can you
We
see
were
over
so
in here,
tickled.
Eddie? Can you see over in there?
Yeah.
Look at them.
Yeah.
Here, Sherry, stir them up so we can see it. Please. I'll smell. Yes. Every time Jamie comes to my house, he comes
Yeah,
by here.
they were too. He got broken the gun. We
Uh-huh.
got to see it the other day.
But you know, it's like eating a potato chip.
And that's worse than that, I think.
Look, that was so soft. I'm going.
Eat your whole thing. Little pop. That's
I can't leave without a peanut. Yeah, you saying bye to all of us, honey, because I'm going home and I'm going to start cooking.
you're going to eat peanuts.
I love you girls, and I'll come back to the happy place. Hey, how are you, dear?
Love you.
Love y'all too. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.